Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. Now this is the Masterbuilt electric smoker, and I'm going to show you how I season it prior to initial use. So first of all, I want to make sure I don't have anything in here that I don't want in here. So obviously I've assembled it. All the parts are in here, all the grill grates, the water pan, the wood chip tray, and everything. So the first thing I'm going to do, now that I've got everything in here, is I'm going to remove the one of the cool things about this smoker is that you can twist this and pull it out, and you put your wood in here. So we're going to put some wood chips in. Again, I'm not cooking on it. I'm just putting wood chips in to help season the smoker. So you can put these in there. This makes refilling while it's hot simple. I could just put these in the chip tray if I wanted to, but see, check this out. So I put it in from the side over here. Then after I put it in, I twist, and it should have dumped in the smoker box. See, it did. There's chips in the smoker box. That's an ingenious design. And the reason that's so important, when you're doing extended duration smokes, you can reload your wood chips without having to open the door and release heat, because it just uses this little thing. You just twist and then twist to dump. If you need to reload it, you pull it out, you know, and just repeat the process. So that's a brilliant design. It really is. And that seals it off while it's cooking, so it doesn't let the heat escape. So to season it, obviously you don't want anything on here that's going to melt. So now we're going to power it on. Push the on button. The temperature I'm going to set way up. So I hit the temperature button. I'm holding it down because we're going to get as hot as it'll go. And I think that's 275. Yeah, 275 is as hot as it'll go. So I've got that. Okay, so now it should be starting to heat up. And what we'll do, we'll just let this, without any food in it, you know, just the grill grates and the water pan and the wood chips, we're just going to let it do its thing for about 3 or 4 hours. And then that should better ensure the first time we smoke in it that we don't have any of those factory flavors. You know, the metal, the paint, the plastic, anything that, you know, when something like this is assembled until it's used, it could... If you get, in other words, if you get one of these brand new, you take it out of the box, you smoke on it without seasoning it, you're potentially going to ruin the flavor of your meats and or vegetables. So, you know, it'd be a really stupid mistake to do that. And, you know, this is what you should do. So tell me what you think. Again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order an electric smoker like this online. I've also got the cover and other accessories linked down there as well. And if there's something you're looking for or something you'd like for me to address within future electric smoker videos, comment below and I'll try to post a video response. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.